Okay, so here's an update. All right. It's powered off. I know that in my previous video, this red wire was connected to the positive on the battery, and my black wire was connected to my negative. Now, according to the installation instructions on the wiring diagram, I can either put this black wire, my negative, or my ground, on the battery or on the motor where it connects right there. My red wire is supposed to be connected to the red terminal, the solenoid of the start solenoid, and that's what I did. It's connected the way it says on the installation instructions. I'm gonna fire my unit up. Here you go. Push 1 and 2. Get my light on. Okay. 5-second intervals. And you're gonna see that every time I push a button on this remote, that lights up. It's receiving something. Nothing. 2 gives me nothing. It says it registers it. 3, same thing. And 4, same thing. Now check this out. Okay, that's up and that's down. That's for my hydraulic jacks. And then this is lifting my dump body. Okay. It works. All my button remotes here work. Now, when I push this, I get nothing. 2, nothing. You can see it register. 3, nothing. Check out 4. It registers. It's gravity down. Now tell me that that's not a faulty box right here. Now, aside from a little bit of the discoloration right there, that's just the dirt from here. This is a brand new remote. So new that I've never screwed any of this in. This is brand new. It even has the sticky tape back here still on. It's brand new. I only installed it like maybe 3 months ago. You know, from COVID and everything, I just hadn't had a chance. So I'm correctly wired here. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I don't think it's me. I think this is a issue for KTI. I need help because I spent just under $300 for this remote.